A manifest is a report that combines the data for all or just some selected shapes in a plan or diagram into a comprehensive inventory. This is really useful for floor plans to count the number of specific items like chairs, desks, cameras, computers, medical devices, and other equipment or furnishings. You can also get a list of equipment used for landscape design and irrigation plans like sprinklers, or generate a list of all the components used in a network diagram, like routers, servers, and switches. If you have retail store designs or planograms, you can track product codes and SKUs. This gives you an instant bill of materials you can use for estimates, purchasing, or to hand off to engineering. To generate a manifest in SmartDraw, first make sure you're in data mode by clicking on the data icon in the left bar. Next, click on Actions and choose Generate Manifest. You can choose which items and what data to include in your manifest by clicking on the checkboxes in the list presented. You'll see a preview of your data to the right. Once you're happy with your selection, you can choose to copy to clipboard, create table to build a table that will be inserted into your document, or save to file, which will export the information as a CSV file.